Okay, so I've got my new portable induction cooker and I want to do a speed test to see if it really can boil water faster than a kettle on gas. So here we are, I've got 2 cups of water, cold from the tap. Throw that one in there and the water going to the induction hob. Now, just to be fair, let's give gas a head start, and at the same time we turn on the induction hob, put it on full temperature, and we'll see which one can boil water the fastest. Now, here there's already a lot of heat coming off the side, and on the induction pan there's absolutely no heat at all. It's a really efficient way of cooking through electromagnetic induction, whatever that means. Now I can already see some bubbles forming at the bottom of this pan, and having a look inside this kettle, which is designed to boil water quickly, nothing yet at all. And yeah, looks like it's starting to boil. A lot of steam coming up. How's the gas doing? Nothing at all. And this very soon is going to be good enough for a cup of tea. There you go. Already boiling. Under 2 minutes that took. Nothing at all in the kettle. Got my assistant with me today, and this is now on full boil. So I've heard that this induction cooking is supposed to be as responsive as gas, so let's see what happens when we turn it down to number 1. Yeah, immediately you can see that it's already gone to simmer. If we increase again, straight up to boiling. It's quite impressive. Another good feature is if you remove the pan when it's still on, the induction hob recognises that and it actually cuts out the power. So very safe and ultra efficient as well. Just put the pan back, starts up again. And as I said before, you can touch this surface, it's completely cool to the touch. The only part that gets hard is the part in contact with the pan. So there you go, faster, more efficient and safer.